All right, you guys just saw, well, if you did see, if not, go back and check it out. But the last CRV video I just put out, probably a couple days ago now, I just went ahead and cut all the fenders out, made them fit. Today, I went ahead and started mocking the wheels on, and they all fit good. Got my pistons on, my exhaust on from the last video, you guys saw that. Back wheels are all cut out. Well, wheel wells are all cut out. Like I said, I used the first body line in the back, and then I used the second body line on the front because it needs more clearance to be able to clear. So yeah, the fender wells do have different openings. I might widen that one to match this, but you don't have to do it in the back if you don't want to. But looking pretty good with the roof rack and the light bars and the lift and the wheels, the exhaust. It's really coming together really fast. I'm just now finishing up beating out the front fender wells so that the wheels could fit, and I seriously just bashed that all in with a hammer. But be careful, there's computers right back here. Make sure you move those before you do that. I'm about to throw on the last wheel. I just ran up in the truck real quick to start the truck to air the tires up that have been sitting for a while. And I have a blown head gasket on the left side of the motor, or a blown intake manifold gasket, because I'm having white smoke come out of this tailpipe, and it's true duals, so that will most likely be a video soon. But I'm going to go ahead and get this last wheel on and hopefully take it for a ride. That's the goal. We'll see if it clears in the front while it turns. It should, but we'll see. I'll get back to you guys once it is all on the ground. Oh, it looks so good. Can't wait until they're all on. Just the lift in the back is crazy. With the tires and the 2-inch lift, it's a decent amount for sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this last wheel. All right, all the wheels are mounted. It's started up. It turns a lot more than my other one did because I bashed those back pieces in really hard with a sledgehammer, so it clears a lot more than my other one. As you can see how my back wheel's sitting, it's got a lot of camber in. I'm gonna adjust that, probably not today, probably be in the next video. But this video is just about mounting the tires, showing you guys how they fit on the body lines that I picked so that you guys could do it. And yeah, as you can see how much camber in this thing has right now, but it looks so good with these wheels on it in the roof rack. But I'm about to go take it for a drive and see how it does. But I'll get with you guys once I'm back in the car, and that will basically be it for this video. My next video on the CRV is going to be all this stuff that I've had just cutting out, and how you have the lips right here. I didn't do anything with my last one because I really just, it didn't matter because of how much I spent on the last one. It was only 400 bucks. So this one, my next video will be adjusting the camber and putting plate, like new inner fender wells basically, to cover up all the holes and to seal them up. So that's what I will be doing in the next video. But let's do a quick walk around. Now the chatter you hear in my belt, it's got wires showing on it. I have to change that, just haven't got around to it. You know, tires and stuff are more important. But it looks great. But I'm about to go drive it around the block and see how it does. Oh, I'm so happy to have it back. Awesome. I'll get back with you guys in a second. I'm just so fucking stoked right now. Been almost 5 months since I basically drove something just like this, so it's kind of a big moment for me. But all right, holy shit, here we go. All right, we're going on its first ride. We got to put air in the back tires. Thought I'd bring my co-pilot along. Can I get a shake? Can I get a shake? Touch my body, touch my body. Huh? What do you smell like? What do you smell like? But we're about to go get air in the tires, and then on the way back, we'll get back to you guys, and we'll be rolling. Ride along in the CR-V. I'm so happy to have this thing back. It's like my beater car. I fucking love it. I never thought I would love CR-Vs as much as I did. Well, ended up. But yeah, I'm just stoked for this ride along. It's me and my dog. But we'll get back to you guys once we got air in the tires. Alright, me and Zeus are driving. Zeus, what doing? Me and Zeus are driving. First test drive on the big wheels. It's got a little shake to it, mostly because I need an alignment really bad, but it's running. It's not rubbing or anything like that, so we're basically good. I'm gonna have to drop it off and get it aligned and get my inspection on it. But the next video we'll be making inner fender wells to get rid of all that cut up stuff. And if you can hear, I really need brakes. But like I said, big tires are more important, so fuck it. So the next video we'll be making inner fender wells, wiring up the light bars, and adjusting the rear camber. But I'll get it aligned and inspect it off video. So yeah, stay tuned for more CR-V stuff. I'm gonna be taking a break on this for a little bit after this video to get back to the Buick, because I got a lot of stuff I want to do on that. But just letting everyone know that the CR-V ain't going nowhere. It'll be a forever spot on this channel. But me and Zeus are gonna enjoy our ride, our smoke, and enjoy the day. You guys have a great one. Stay tuned for more Rat Life shit if you're interested. Have a good one, guys.